Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts! Get ready to transform your yard into the ultimate spooky spectacle with the Zukakii 12FT Giant Halloween Inflatable Ghost, featuring mesmerizing 3-colored flame rotation LEDs that create a realistic burning flame effect, making it the perfect photo spot for trick-or-treaters of all ages. This towering ghost, with its massive mouth, creepy eyes, and menacing claws, is designed to captivate and terrify, casting a spine-chilling atmosphere over your entire neighborhood. Crafted from durable 210T high-strength waterproof polyester, this inflatable is built to withstand the elements, ensuring it remains a haunting presence in your yard for years to come. Installation is a breeze, taking just 1 minute for a single person to set up, thanks to the included sandbag, stakes, and ropes that provide extra stability against the wind. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or simply want to impress your neighbors, this giant inflatable ghost is the perfect addition to your outdoor decorations, making your home the talk of the town. So, get ready to give your guests an unforgettable Halloween night with this epic decoration that promises to be a hit with kids and friends alike. Don't miss out on the chance to make your house the most popular and unique on the block this Halloween season. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.